In this video I would like to show you how you can use a standard MIDI controller with FiveLoop on an Android tablet or Android phone in order to use this Footswitch controller to control the video. So this here works over USB. You pretty much need a USB MIDI controller for it to work with FiveLoop on an Android tablet. And you also need an adapter from USB-A to either micro USB, depending on your tablet. So this here is from USB-A to micro USB, or here in my case, this tablet here has USB-C. So I have to use a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So we just plug it in the adapter and then plug the adapter into the tablet. And now we have to assign the buttons from this controller to the playback functions. And how we're going to do that is by going into the menu. That's the sandwich button here on the top right. And we see on the very top, found MIDI controller, that this controller was recognized. It is listed below. And what we need to do is in the Learn MIDI Commands section, press the Start Learning Mode button. So now the buttons turn blue, and how it works, I'm gonna select the function button I'd like to assign, rewind 5 seconds, and now it is listening for the MIDI controller's input, and I press this button here because I want to assign this one to rewind. And the same thing, I'm doing the same thing for all the other function buttons, but I'm using other buttons on the controller, obviously. Oops. And loop. And when you're done, you press stop learning mode and exit this menu with a red cross on the top right. And basically now we are able to use the MIDI controller to control the video. And now we can even close this section here. And let's set a loop.